Today we discuss about Maths Chapter 2 Linear Equation in one variable. Some example problems. See the question on the board. Sum of two numbers is 29 and one number exceeds another by 5. Find the numbers. Here we need two numbers. So the solution is, here sum of two numbers is 29. One number exceeds other by 5. Means one is small, one is big. Let the smaller number is sum x. Then the bigger number is x plus 5 because one number exceeds other by 5. Okay, and the sum is 29. The two sum is 29. Now x plus 5 is equal to 29. Now 2x plus 5 is equal to 29. Now 2x is equal to 29 minus 5. Now 2x is equal to 24. Now x is equal to 24 by 2. 2 ones are 2 2 are. Therefore, x is equal to, we got here 12. Therefore, the smaller number is, that is x, 12. Therefore, the bigger number is x plus 5, means 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. Now, example number 5. 4 times a number reduced by 5 equal to 19. Find the number. We don't know the number. Now, let us start solution. Let the required number be x. 4 times of a number. 4 times of the number. That is 4x. It is reduced by 5 equal to 19. It is reduced by 5 and equal to 19. So 4x is reduced means minus 5 is equal to 19. Now we need to find x. So 4x is equal to 19 plus 5. 4x is equal to 24. Now x is equal to 24 by 4. 4 ones are 4 6 are. Therefore x is equal to 6. It is the required number. Let us see example number 6. The length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 17 meters if the perimeter of rectangle is 178 meters. Find the dimensions. Okay, your length is depend on its breadth. Now the solution starts with, let the breadth be x, then the length is exceeds its breadth by 17. So x plus 17. It is meters. Here also it is meters. Now perimeter is given. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is given 178 meters. But we have formula for rectangle perimeter 2 into L plus B is equal to 178. 2 into your length is x plus 17, breadth is x is equal to 178. Here 2x plus 17 is equal to 178. Now 2 2s are 4, 17 2s are 34 is equal to 178. Now 4x is equal to 178 minus 34. Now 4x is equal to 144. Here x is equal to 144 by 4. Now 4 1s are 4 3s are 12, 4 6s are 24. Yeah. Now x is equal to, therefore x is equal to 36. What is called x? Therefore breadth of the rectangle. Breadth is equal to 36 meters. Now length is equal to 36 plus 17. Both you should add. Now 53 meters. Length and breadth. Dimensions means a rectangle has length and breadth. Here example 7. Two supplementary angles differ by 34. Find them. Find the angles. Okay, now the solution is, here difference of those two angles is 34. Therefore, let the smaller angle is x. And they are differ by 34. So, then the bigger angle is x plus 34, and they are supplementary. What is the meaning of supplementary? Sum of the angles is 180 degrees. So x plus 34 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, now x plus x is 2x. Plus 34 is 180 degrees. Now 2x is equal to 180 minus 34. Now 2x is equal to, this is 146. Now x is equal to 146 by 2. 2 7s are 2 3s are. Therefore x is equal to 73 degrees. What is called x here? Smaller angle. Therefore the smaller angle is 73 degrees, and the bigger angle, here bigger angle is equal to 73 plus 34, that is 107 degrees. Required angles. Okay, here supplementary means, keep it in your mind, sum of the angles is 180 degrees. Sum of any two angles is 180, they are called supplementary angles. Now exercise 2.2, first bit, find x from following figures. Here actually they are given 5 figures. I took only 3 figures. First we discussed about these 3 figures. After that we have to discuss remaining. Okay, anyway we have to see the figure, find x. How to find x? See, be careful. Here this is exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Sum of two interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles. That is equal to exterior angle and exterior. Okay, see the figure, x plus 56. X plus 56 degrees is equal to 123 degrees. Now x is equal to 123 minus 56. X is equal to 13 minus 6 is 7. Okay. Here 11 minus 5 6. We got 67 degrees. An exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Now in this figure there are 3 angles. In triangle PQR, in any triangle, sum of three angles, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. So now 45 degrees plus 3x plus 16 plus 68 is equal to 180 degrees. Now 3x plus these three add 45, 16, 68, 8, 19, 12. That is 129 is equal to 180 degrees. Now 3x is equal to 180 minus 129. 3x is equal to 10 minus 9 is 1, 7 minus 3 is 5. Now x is equal to 51 by 3. 3 table. 3 ones are, 3 sevens are. So x is equal to 17 degrees. Here we got 17. Similarly, same model. Here angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. A is 25 degrees, angle B is x, C is 30 degrees. Is equal to 180 degrees. Now x plus 55 degrees is equal to 180. Now x is equal to 180 minus 55. Now x is equal to 10 minus 5 is 5, 7 minus 5 is 2, 125 degrees. Find x. Some figures are given, different methods. So that is the questions, how to find x easily. Okay, now continuation, fourth and fifth questions. How to find x, you see here. First, in this question, in triangle XYZ, in this triangle, two sides are given. What are they? XY is equal to XZ. If two sides are equal, their opposite angles. If two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. That implies angle Y is equal to angle Z. Okay? 2x plus 7 is equal to 45. 2x is equal to 45 minus 7. Now 2x is equal to 38 degrees. X is equal to 38 by 2. 2 table, 2 ones are, 2 nines are. So x is equal to 19 degrees. Here it is isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. Okay, once see in this figure, here 3x plus 10 is there. Okay. Here once observe, in this figure there are two isosceles triangles are there. One is AOB. In triangle AOB, in this triangle, angle AOB is equal to angle ABO. Because here AB is equal to AO. Since AB is equal to AO. It is an isosceles triangle. So here angle will get 3x plus 10. Therefore angle AOB is equal to 3x plus 10. Okay, now and once observe, angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Since vertically opposite angles, these two angles are equal. Therefore angle COD is also 3x plus 10. Okay, anyway, now in triangle COD, two sides equal. What are they? CO is equal to CD. That implies if two sides equal, their opposite angles are equal. Angle COD is equal to angle CDO is equal to 3x plus 10. Here 3x plus 10, here also 3x plus 10. Now it is a triangle. In the triangle, sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So now 3x plus 10, again 3x plus 10 plus 2x is equal to 180 degrees. Now 3x, 6x plus 2x, 8x plus 20 is equal to 180. Now 8x is equal to 180 minus 20. 8x is equal to 160 degrees. Now x is equal to, that implies x is equal to 160 by 8. 8 2s are. So we got 20 degrees. The final answer is 20. Okay, compare these 5 questions. This is small, difficult is just logic. That's enough. Okay, next we will discuss continuation in the next video. The continuation exercise sums I will explain. Okay, please like and share this video. Okay, if anybody not subscribed, please subscribe.